Hi guys and welcome to FX Market Strategy. We continue our weekly forecast. So we start as usual with the dollar index. Last week we discussed this was like an ABC pattern and it was completed, and we did expect a fall. That was beautiful. It did go really nice. So what we have right now, it did crash so fast, and this is indication there is a high selling momentum, and that was just a correction in a strong downtrend. Okay, so we would expect this to continue further down as long as 90.80 holding, and this is a strong number. Our target is 89.16, guys. Okay, so the wave we are seeing right now after this one was really nice. What we expect is another wave down right here, all this one to continue all the way down as long as this 90.80 is holding, and our target will be the 89.16. Okay, so this is the view we have right now. Okay guys, the euro index, what we can see is this to continue going up a little bit, so the euro could be a little bit stronger against some currencies and weak against the others. Okay, so it will not be ultimate strong or ultimate weak. What we can see is this wave to continue going up only to this point. It will not break this one. Then after this we can see a strong down move. So Euro Australian, Euro Canadian, Euro New Zealand, they should continue falling, but something like Euro Japanese and Euro dollar, they could be going up. Bound index, we said last week we do expect a small correction going up. That was good. What we can see right here, this area is very dangerous, guys, in the daily. So there is a big chance we get a reversal from here. Okay, so be careful from the bound. After a little bit, we should see a strong correction. So be careful if you're in a buy or something. Be careful to not be in big buys right here. CHF index, so it looks like it's making ABCD formation, so it's coming down. After this wave it can continue going down further, so that's an AB, BC, DE if it works like this way. So the CHF could be really weak next week, so that's something to keep the eye on. Japanese yen, it was going in this correctional uptrend, it did break, so what we expect now to just continue going further down, so Japanese yen to be weak. Okay, Australian, last week we did expect this up wave right here. It was beautiful. If you guys do remember from last week, this wave was really nice, but we do expect a small correction to go check this trend, which was right here, multiple times support resistance area. Then we do break. Are we going to break this level right here, which is this one? Are we going to break here, or we're going to go back down? Both options in the table, but what I can see, actually I can see we're going to break it and continue going up a little bit. Okay, so this is what I can see right now. So we can see we are going up all the way to here. Okay guys, so the Australian can have a strong run. If the other scenario happen and we do break below this support level, then we're just gonna have a small correction here, then we're gonna go back up again. Okay, New Zealand, the same scenario just like Australia, and what we do expect is an up wave, okay, followed by a correction to retest this area, which used to be this high right here. We do expect this to be retested at this level, which also to work to be this support area right here in the trend line. So it could be the same thing right here, and after this we can have a strong up move, and after this we should have a strong correction later on. So this is what we can see in this wave to continue going up like this and work out to be a channel upward trend going up and down, making correction, sideways correction right now. Okay, the next is the Canadian index. Okay, what we do expect from Canadian to continue being strong as the Canadian economy is performing well. We're coming closer to the summer, so there is more permit for construction, more construction work is gonna happen, so more employment, so you're gonna see good numbers from the Canadian economy. Also the Bank of Canada, they said the economy is performing well, they don't have to take actions to kind of weaken the Canadian dollar. So that's something we can keep the eye on. This is probably gonna push the Canadian dollar to the upside. You guys, you can notice this was just a correction, sideways correction right here, going up and down. So there is a big chance we're gonna break to the upside. After this break, what we do expect is just a retest of this level right here. So we can get a retest, okay, which is gonna be also sideways movement or something. Then after this, we can have another strong move to the upside, okay. The next one is the VIX. I'm not going to talk about this much, guys. I told you this is going to crash possibly to the 8 level. Okay, so we are at 19 right now. Keep the eye on this one. Big movement coming. Gold, we said last week we're looking only to take a buy. We were here last week, so that was really nice. We said only we're looking to take a buy with good price movement. That was nice. When the dollar was doing a correction, dollar did drop a little bit, but nothing to be really scared about in my opinion. I think gold is still gonna continue going up here. Okay, so your target probably should be a little bit shy of the 1900. Okay, and then after this 1900 we should have a correction sideways in this area. Okay, up and down correction in this area right here like this. Then we should have another up wave close to this area. From here I think we're gonna get a strong downward move again. Okay, but anyway, I'm looking to buy the gold. I'm not gonna look to sell it right now. Oil, I think I told you guys last week we're targeting the 60. I think we're like 59.77. Always don't go for the exact round number. Be 20-30 points below this one. Okay, I would not recommend to buy at this high big candle like this. Also last week, if you guys do remember, we said wait for a correction down, a little bit correction, then go up for it, and that was really nice. So what we want is a retest of this area. Okay, see this awful area right here, we need to retest this one. Once it's retested, this will be nice. Also, if it takes more time, I'll be happier. So if something like this, see this trend line here? So if it takes more time to reach this trend line, this sideways, to come to the 57, let's say in by the, you know, it takes a couple weeks sideways movement, then after this will push up, this will be even better. DAX, we said we're only looking to buy the DAX. There is no sell for us, and that was really nice. It looks like, you know, it's collecting more orders and shooting up right here. We're looking to 14,600 and 15,000 is probably going to be reached. It's going to be reached this year. The Dow Jones, we said only buy, guys. That was beautiful. Watch out, this is close to the top of the channel. What I think is going to happen, I think we're going to break to the top side right here. Okay, so we're going to break this one. Just like this, we're going to retest it, and we're going to go trade above the channel. Okay, so, and that's fine. That's not an area to sell in my opinion. That's an area to continue buying. And that's going to be your new support to resistance line right here, running like this. Okay, so our target is right there, 32,400, and that price you need to escape, get out. We talked last forecast, Japanese yen stock is gonna fly to the upside. You guys see what happened. Euro dollar, we said this is gonna continue going up. It's very clear, you guys. You can see this. We were lucky in this one. Okay, so it was going up really nice here. What would you expect? Just a small correction here, then continue to this price. At this price, probably a good idea to get out. Pound dollar, we can get a small correction first here. Watch out to retest to this area, which has been support to resistance area multiple times. You guys, this is very strong number right here. So 1.3750 is very strong. If this is broken to the downside, you need to sell this one probably, or just don't be in a buy if this is broken to the downside, because it will just change the game. Okay, so far what we can see, we're gonna go to this price right here. Okay, guys, if you guys do remember 1.3860 from last week, just click the like button. I'll appreciate this. Okay. USDCHF, we discussed sell last week. That was really nice. What we do expect to continue going down. Don't target all the way down here. Okay, always is a good idea to just be 50-60 bips above this one. So if it was to be collecting new orders or something, you don't have to wait till the end. Okay, so if this will be just a new trend to continue like this or something, you want to be right here. Don't wait to go all the way down here. Okay. So USDCAD, we're looking at 1.25, guys. Okay, as the oil to continue being strong and the dollar weak, so, and the Canadian strong, so 1.25 is, I think, is reachable. The Australian USD, we can see we did break above this range and area, and possible retest here. Then 78.80 is possible as well. New Zealand dollar is just making this complex structure. It's triangle, just probably is gonna retest here and break to 73.40. Pound yen, be careful from this one. We can go to 149.50 and break from there. Euro Japanese yen, 1.2850 is reachable. Okay, CHF Japanese yen is the same thing. 118.60 is also reachable, as long as you guys have a support resistance and you go on a stretch and stuff. Really, like, don't be stuck. If this break and you see the stock market is coming down, of course this Japanese yen is going to be real strong as a safe haven, and CHFJPY is going to break to the downside. If you see this is happening, just don't be stuck in an analysis, okay? We're just given a forecast. It doesn't have to be right. USDJPY, I will not recommend to sell this one, okay? Wait to buy from 104 or so. EURNZD, if you guys do remember this, we discussed this up wave, then falling down here. Give a like to, hit the like button, please. Okay, guys, so we're looking at 1.6560, okay? EURAUD, what we are saying is this to continue going down, but after this down wave is going to shoot up. Later on, not now, okay guys? So be careful from this one. If you're on a sell, just make sure you move your stop loss to the entry. Euro bound, this to continue coming down a little bit, but after this down, we do expect a strong up wave. Bitcoin, if you guys do remember the 4750 from last week, hit the like button. What we can see is just a triangle being happening right here. You can see something like this, and after this, okay, after this, if it's broken, then probably we're going to go to the 54,000 right here. Okay guys, so keep the eye on this one. I will not recommend to buy from here, but possibly this will continue the buying pressure to break the 50 level, then from there we can talk. Okay guys, thank you and have a great day. If you guys would like to join our service, download our trading systems, please join us, fxmarketstrategy.com. Also, we do have a Signal app. You can follow our signals through the application. It's Android right now, and iOS is being developed and will be ready soon. Thank you and have a great day.